Hey guys, we received this 2024 TV antenna for test and try. It's 1200 plus miles as it mentioned with a long range TV antenna, SG digital TV antenna for the indoor use and with a signal booster. So let's just open. As you can see, this comes with this antenna thing and then also with these different accessories. So the cables and other things. So this antenna looks really nice and can capture. This the cable and all these different accessories set. So this is basically used to capture long range TV signals and directly for your TV without any cable or the direct touch. So these are the different ways you can put this antenna, like by blocking it, putting with the screws, or directly sticking it. That you can choose whatever you want to use it with. So this is a USB signal booster as well. So you have to just put in your cable connection here and then use the other connection directly into the TV. So this you can adjust as I showed you and then just put it in the TV. So I put it in the TV with the USB and all the cable connection in here. So this asks for the searching. I start searching for the channels. It found the channel. The quality is really nice.